Good evening to all of you. So I thought of making this video today because we all are facing an unprecedented situation, never like before in our lifetimes, right? And I thought it is important for me to make this video because a lot of us are losing track. I in fact have lost my track a long time in the past 3.5, 4 months. So I thought that it is better that we address this particular issue, right? So earlier everybody was expecting maybe in a couple of months, in 3 months, the situation will get better, everything will come back to normal. But now if you see the situation, it's very likely that things would not be normal for I don't know how long, but at least for a substantial amount of time, maybe 1 year, 1.5 years, things are not going to be normal, right? So now it is important for us to adapt to the situation. Now if I talk about, for example, if I want to relate to you guys, many of you might be preparing for CSI NET, or you might be in your PhD or you might be in your bachelor's, master's, right? So you are facing a lot of issue, what to do, what not to do, when to start preparation, when will be the exams. So there is a lot of uncertainty and that can get to you. And when a lot of uncertainty gets to you and you are not sure of what you have to do, or what is the timing of a particular exam, or basically whenever there's uncertainty surrounding you, it kind of like eats you up, and you stop doing anything at all, right? So I have just thought about a couple of ideas which can maybe help you out a bit. I know there are many other videos available, but I am just telling it from my personal experience. So for example, if you are preparing for CSI NET and you don't know when the exam is and you have stopped your preparation, I'm sure that majority of you have stopped your preparation, or you might have thought that you have 3.5, 4 months of the lockdown and still you haven't done anything at all. Because see, this is one thing that we do, that when we don't have time, we always complain that we don't have time, and now we have the time, and now you might be feeling guilty that you had the time and still you could not prepare the way you wanted to. So these kind of things kind of like get to you, but don't be hard on yourself in this situation. It's a really, like I said, unprecedented situation, and please don't be hard on yourself. Right now, what you can do is, now that you know that the situation is not going to improve at least for a year, the best thing you can do is adapt. Okay? Stephen Hawking also said that a person does well, or a person does really well when he can adapt to a particular situation, right? So you have to adapt to the situation now. It's high time that you kind of like you make your peace with this situation. So what you can do is, first of all, to keep yourself cool in the head, and to basically, it's all about, it's the game of the mind, right? So you have to keep your mind cool, and the best thing you can do to do that, or to improve your energy, or to keep yourself sane, I think you should learn something new. By new, it could be the smallest of things. For example, you could learn to cook something in the kitchen. That's the one of the easiest ways to learn something new. It kind of like gives you a dopamine rush. It is really good for you. So try and learn something new. Small things, not big things, right? You could work out. You might be feeling like you don't want to work out, but I think working out in this situation would be really helpful to you. I also do the same. For 15-20 days, I had also stopped, and I was feeling pathetic. But I think you have to like really kind of like get together all the willpower that you have built over the years, and use it right now to start working out. It really feels good, right? So you can learn something new. It doesn't have to be related to academics. I don't know why everyone relates productivity to academics. It's not related to academics. If you're painting, if you're learning guitar, any musical instrument, if you're learning a new skill, it doesn't have to be included with academics. It's your personal choice. If you like, there's nothing wrong with learning a new skill related to academics, but there's nothing wrong with doing something outside academics. Don't feel guilty about it. A skill is a skill. Okay, the best of the people are not the ones who are well educated. Okay, education has nothing to do with the kind of person. It has nothing to do with it. So please don't think that if you're not doing something related to academics, you're not productive. That's not the case. Cooking is productive, playing a musical instrument is productive, painting is productive, dancing is productive, every worthwhile skill is productive. Okay, please don't relate everything to academics. It's fine if you don't want to, if you're not in the mindset to study, it's fine. Do something which gives you the happiness, right? Please don't feel guilty about it, right? So do something which kind of like gives you the happiness, right? I mean, this is a small thing that I wanted to tell you, that please don't relate productivity to academics, right? So just do whatever makes you happy, and take care, and yeah, that's it.